Jinan Hiwell Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of forming, coating, slicing, intelligent portion cutting processing machinery in the application of fast food processing. Since 2005, we have been focusing on the development of the meat, seafood, and vegetable fast food in developing the former, batter, pre-duster, breeder, horizontal meat slicer, strip cutter, meat flattener, tenderizer, and intelligent portion cutter, successfully found a perfect solution for customers' food processing. Hiwell automatic multi-former, batter, pre-duster, breader, meat tender, and batter feeder machines are awarded the authorization of the CE, approved by TÜV Rheinland and ECM. Hiwell keeps the equipment at the high level in the world. We serve customer with high-quality machine, reasonable cost, satisfied after-sale supporting. Till now, we already exported reputed firms in Europe, USA, North America, Southeast Asia, Japan, Africa, Australia. Customer are much satisfied with Hiwell machine quality and service. In China, now Hiwell is a professional manufacturer in this field and drafter of the national industry standard. Hiwell has a complete quality control system, experienced after-sales team, advanced design philosophy, strict management of manufacture process. Hiwell has enough parts preparation in stock for each model. Once customer has the requirement, he will feedback customer at first beginning and find the solution for their processing. Thanks to this, it is possible to keep running the processing plant stably and reliably.